So we had a few minor incidents where forklifts were striking things within the warehouse. Each of these incidents individually was really quite minor, but collectively they raised a number of red flags of more serious systemic issues that we needed to address. In terms of implementing the HOT principles, the key thing that we looked at doing was conducting a learning team, and we did that with our warehouse team. So the warehouse operators, the forklift operators, and got their input as the subject matter experts in that area. We got them to help identify what the problems were, and after looking at the problems, we then had a look at work as imagined versus work as done, and we got all of the operators to talk us through how they actually do the work versus what the procedures say. After this, we then took a break, and I got the team to go away and have a think about solutions. And then the following day, all of the warehouse team came together again, and they put forward some of the different solutions that they could see working within their own work area. And then from there, we implemented a number of those different solutions to try and prevent future incidents. So subsequent to doing the working team with our warehouse, we've not actually had any other incidents with our forklifts in the warehouse. So that was about 18 months ago. So in terms of the safety culture, there's definitely been a significant change. So through doing the learning teams and implementing the HOT principle, it's really led to greater communication between the health and safety team and the individual frontline teams. So it's helped to engage them more in health and safety conversation. It's helped them to think more openly about health and safety. We're getting a lot of the the lead indicators that we want to have a look at. So we're getting more near miss reporting, and we're getting more hazard reporting as opposed to incidents occurring. So overall, while the reporting has increased, the incidents have decreased. Yeah, so what I've found is that it's actually reinforced a lot of the things that we already do, and without realising it, we're probably already implementing some of the HOT principles within our workplace. But now that I've done the HOT course, it's reinforced what we're doing, and it's allowed me the opportunity to deliver those improvements and make sure that we are actually adhering to those HOT principles and improving our systems and process on a continuous basis. So I would absolutely recommend the HOT course to others, just in terms of the opportunity to improve our systems and processes, but it also created a really good networking opportunity, and it's given us a heap of great resources. And Becky, as a trainer, she's extremely knowledgeable and passionate about what she does. She's a really good sounding board if we want to talk our problems that we're having in our workspace.